In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a sale ad for your product right in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Titles tab and search for the shop word. There are a variety of titles you can choose from. Today we'll use Shop Sale Pack Title 2 and drag it to the timeline. Then, let's move the Elements tab and search Background. We'll use the Japanese Speedline pack and drag it on the first track. Now let's add another element. Search Black Friday pack and I'm going to use this. Drag it to the third track. Now, head over to the Media tab and I'll use the graphic that I've prepared and drag it onto the second track. Then, we're going to adjust the composition of these elements. Double-click on the track and you'll see the transform setting being extended. Other than the background, adjust both element size and position accordingly. We are almost ready. I'm going to add a transition. Click on the Transitions tab and search for Shop. I'll use the first transition and place it between the two clips. There you have it. Create one today for your product if you're promoting your products online. If you would like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.